Oh my gosh, the weight. Powerful singer. Breathe in. Bitaw. Oh, damn. That is amazing. Lipad, sige. Okay, so eto na nga, sabi nila nag-slay daw ang dragon last Sunday dahil siya yung na-feature sa mismo na prod ng All Sundays, and I'm very excited to watch this, guys. Without further ado, let's go check this out. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, freak. Oh, freak, this song, no way. Kinalimutan ako. Wow. Bumagay sa kanya. Oh my gosh. Goosebumps. Bumagay sa kanya yung song. Here comes the dragon. Love the outfit, by the way. Parang solo concert.
Share the same blood. We both have the same mind. And time we have so much to share.
Wow, different.
I'm not waking up tomorrow morning and finding that there's nobody left. Darling, there's no way. No, 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 no way I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. You see, there's just no way. There's no
Oh my gosh, the weight.
way to go
Powerful singer.
away from me. Stay with
Oh,
me.
freak, girl. May diin. Wow. So they shortened it. Breathe in. Bitaw. Oh, damn. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. Sige! Pakilala ka, girl! Lipad, sige. Bugahan mo na nga, Paul. Sige. Kinikilibutan ako. Detail, yeah. Head tone, heard that. Binalit niyo yung dragon, ha? Hindi umingabi. Diretso. Wow. Oh, ang ganda ng growl niya, grabe. Standing ovation. Haba ng hininga. Oh, freak tang. Ang Dragon! Marian Isabel from Iligan, if not mistaken. Grabe, pasabog tong mismo performance niya, no? And I so appreciate those artists na nag-standing ovation. It means talaga they have an ear for good quality music. So, thank you, Raver. Nakita ko si Raver tumayo. So, wow. Thank you so much, All Sundays, for this kind of prod na na-highlight talaga yung mga singers ninyo. And ito yung inaantay namin kasi ang daming deserving talaga na bigyan ng spotlight ng moment, and this is one of them. So thank you so much. Marian Isabel, isa kang dragon. Talaga gising na ang dragon, and you are ready to fly talaga at magbuga ng apoy. So let's go! Thank you so much, guys, and see you again sa next na mismo prod. And yeah, maraming salamat. Bye!
Hintay ako sa iyong pagbalik. Ayokong ikaw